Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some vegan condensed milk cookies. In this recipe, I'll be using my homemade vegan condensed milk. I'll link that video. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl, combine a half a cup of coconut oil and a quarter cup of sugar and mix until well combined. Next, add in 200 grams of vegan condensed milk. I'll link my video on how to make vegan condensed milk. Mix to combine. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Add in a half a cup of flour and mix until a soft dough forms. Roll about a tablespoon of dough into a ball and place onto a lined baking tray. Press down on the dough slightly and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are golden. Enjoy!